Hi students, before 3 exercise completed, now fourth exercise. First one, in triangle ABC, name all the interior and exterior angles of the triangle. Means interior angles, exterior angles. Interior means ABC. Means these are three interior angles. Exterior means outside, X, Y, Z. See this answer. Here in triangle ABC, interior angles. Interior angles. Angle ABC means ABC means B angle. Next angle BCA. BCA and angle BAC means BCA. ABC angles CAB. These are three interior angles. Next exterior angles. Exterior angles. So what are exterior here? XBC angle XBC. Next angle ACZ, ACZ and angle YAB. YAB means outside like this here. Exterior angles. Interior means here. Internal angles. These are interior. This is exterior angles. This is answer. Second one, for triangle ABC, find the measure of angle CACD. ACD means outside angle. So we know that in triangle, sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees and angle ACD. ACD means exterior angle. We know that one of the formula, one exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. One exterior angle equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Means angle ACD equal to angle ABC plus angle BAC means 66 plus 45. Here angle ACD equal to ABC means 45 degrees plus 66. These two add, we get 111. Angle ACD equal to 111 degrees. This is one of the exterior angle. Third question. Find the measure of angles X and Y. Here X, Y. See this diagram. Here X 65. Observe here. This is one of the linear pair. X plus 65 equal to 180 degrees. Linear pair means sum equal to 180 degrees. Like angle X equal to 180 minus 65. 180 degrees minus 65. Angle X equal to 115. X equal to 115. 115 plus 65 we get 180. Now here X equal to 115. Here angle C equal to 30 degrees. We know that sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Like here angle Y equal to here 65 minus 30. We get 35 degrees. Otherwise one of the exterior angle. One exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles means Y plus 30 equal to 65. Y plus 30 equal to 65. Y equal to 65 minus 30. 65 minus 30. We get 35. This is angle Y. Got it? Next, fourth one. In the following figure, find the values of X and Y. Here X, Y outside of the angle. Find X and Y. Here X is there. In this diagram, X, Y. Here first figure observe. Here they give an exterior angle. One exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. See this answer. See this diagram, ABC triangle. Here 107 is exterior angle. Here write in triangle ABC, exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. One exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Means 107 equal to x plus 57. 107 equal to x plus 57. X equal to 107 minus 57. Then degrees, that x equal to 50 degrees. Now this is answer here 50. 50 plus 57 we get 107. One exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Next, second one. Here in this, one exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Means y plus 65 degrees. Y plus 65 equal to 40 plus 107. Here 40 plus 107. Y plus 65 equal to 107 plus 40. 147. Then y equal to 147 minus 65. Here plus 65, send that side, minus 65. Y equal to 82 degrees. Angle y equal to 82 degrees. And also we know that sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Like here we get y equal to 82 degrees. Then now x plus 65 plus y equal to 180 degrees. Linear pair. We can take here linear pair here. X 65, y equal to 180 degrees. X plus 65 plus y means we get here 82 equal to 180. Now x equal to here 65 plus 82 we get 147. 180 minus 147. Here plus 40, 147, send that side. We get 147. X equal to 33 degrees. Here x equal to 33. See here again. Here x 65, y. These total linear pair. Linear pair means sum equal to 180 degrees. Here x plus 65 plus y equal to 180. Here x plus y plus 65 equal to 180. X plus 65 plus y means 82 equal to 180. 65 plus 82 we get 147. X plus 147 equal to 180. X equal to 180 minus 147. X equal to 33. In the figure, angle BAD equal to 3 into angle DBA. Find angle CDB, angle DBC, angle ABC. Means middle letter. Angle D, angle B, angle B want find here in this triangle. See this one, ABC, one of the triangle total, and ABD another triangle. See this answer. In that question given that angle BAD equal to 3 angle DBA. Means 3 times of angle. For example, let angle DBA equal to x degrees take. DBA equal to x. Here DBA equal to x. Angle BAD means 3x. Angle BAD equal to 3x. Now in triangle BAD, here in triangle BAD take here BAD. For that angle BAD plus angle ABD plus Here 104 degrees. We know that sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Like angle A plus angle B plus angle D equal to 180. Like here 104 they given equal to 180 degrees. Here angle BAD means here we can take 3x. 3x plus x plus 104 equal to 180 degrees. Here we take an x degrees. Now angle BAD equal to 3 times of x, 3x. 3x plus x plus 104 equal to 180 degrees. Like next here 3x plus 1x, 4x. 4x plus 104 equal to 180 degrees. 4x equal to 180 minus 104. 4x equal to 180 minus 104, 76. X equal to 76 by 4. Then x equal to 19. 4 19, 76. X equal to 19. Therefore, x means angle DBA equal to 19 degrees. DBA equal to x degrees, 19 degrees. Next angle BAD means 3x. Angle BAD equal to 3x means 3 into 19 equal to 57 degrees. Next, they ask him find angle DBC. Means now angle BAC plus 19 degrees plus angle DBC plus 65 equal to 180 degrees. In the diagram, next angle BAC we get here 57 degrees plus 19 degrees plus angle DBC plus 65 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Now 57 plus 19, 76 plus angle DBC equal to here plus 65 send that side. 180 minus 65 plus 65 send that side, it will change it to minus. Now 76 degrees plus angle DBC equal to 180 minus 65, 115. Now angle DBC equal to 115 minus 76. Here plus 76 send that side minus 76. Angle DBC equal to 115 minus 76. We get 39 degrees. Now here totally linear pair. In that linear pair sum equal to 180 degrees. BDA plus angle CDB equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because this one linear pair. Linear pair. Linear pair means sum equal to 180 degrees. Like here 104. Here angle BDA equal to 104 plus angle CDB equal to 180 degrees. Now angle CDB equal to 180 minus 104. Here plus 104 send that side minus 104. Angle CDB equal to 180 minus 104, 76. 76 degrees. Next, last one angle ABC equal to ABC. For that angle ABD plus angle DBC equal to 19 plus 39. 19 plus 39. 19 plus 39 we get 58 degrees. So they are asking angle DBC 39 degrees, CDB 76 degrees. Next ABC, angle ABC equal to 58 degrees. This is final answer. See once total.